Hi guys, it's me, Essie Magic, and today I want to share with you how I stay motivated. Oh gosh, every time I wear this shirt, I start feeling like, should I have worn this shirt or not? This happens to me every time I film in this shirt. And I've only done it once before, but I'm having deja vu all over again. Anyway, as I said, I want to talk to you about how I stay motivated. These are my tips. I'm not speaking for everyone. I just thought it would be helpful for some of you, and I know a lot of you have asked me before how you can stay motivated. Before we get started with this video, I want to remind you that I release videos every Thursday and Saturday, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get that notification when the video comes out. That's how you stay motivated. I'm joking. So in no particular order, here we go. So one of the things I do to stay motivated is follow motivational accounts on Instagram. One of the easiest ways to stay motivated is to see it when you're doing the thing you do most, which is be on your phone. We're all on our phones 24/7. If you're on Instagram specifically, you can see pictures, you can see quotes, you can see stories of people doing motivational things. I tend to follow a lot of accounts that have quotes or accounts of people who are living the life I aspire to live to. That also helps me stay motivated when I see people doing the things I want to do or doing what I want to be. So that is something that I find is so helpful. Any sort of groups or, empowerment Instagrams are always awesome to follow and stay motivated. The next tip I have for staying motivated is listening to audiobooks or motivational podcasts. They all really help. The one that I'm listening to right now is Linchpin, and so far it's really good. Definitely helps me stay motivated. I listen when I'm driving, I listen when I'm hiking or going for a walk. It is a great time to listen to audiobooks, or even sometimes when I'm cleaning the house. Like, just having the audiobook on while you're cleaning is a good way to kind of, take in that information while doing mindless work, such as cleaning. Anyway, I'm not a big fan of cleaning. That's why I'm just saying it that way. No offense to those of you who love cleaning. So listening to audiobooks is definitely a way that I stay motivated. And also I learn too, because audiobooks are not just for motivation. A lot of times they have great skills that you can use. So definitely seek out a good audiobook if you want to get motivated right now. The next way to stay motivated on my list is to have friends who are in similar situations as you and can encourage you and understand you. I know I've had so many times where right when I was feeling down, I spoke to somebody who understood me and they helped me to feel better and helped me to feel like I should keep going. Surrounding yourself with people who are similar to you and people who help empower you is so powerful, just because you just need that human interaction sometimes to feel like you can keep going, and that's what it does. And that's why I always recommend, having those type of friends around you who are positive for you and who can, create an environment that instills you and not tears you down, not deters you, not makes you just want to be lazy and do nothing. I mean, we all have lazy moments sometimes, but you don't want to be around people who bring that side of you, lazy side out of you often. Honestly, that's one thing that I've made sure to have since moving to LA is, the right people around me. You just cannot go wrong if you have the right people around you. The next tip I have for staying motivated is to go to industry events in your field. So if you're an actor, go to events that are helping actors. If you're a tech person, go to a tech event. If you're a marketing person, go to a marketing event. When you go to these things, you hear these guest speakers give talks on panels, and a lot of times when they're telling their stories, how they achieved their success, giving you tips, it just helps you feel inspired and makes you want to stay motivated and keep going. It just, you literally leave the event feeling so good. And that happens to me every time I go to one of these things. I walk out of there feeling inspired and motivated to keep up leveling myself, bettering myself, and improving my future. And that's what happens for most people, I would say. So that is my fourth recommendation. The next tip is kind of similar to tip number 3 in terms of having friends who encourage you. This tip, however, is more about flat out blocking out negativity and keeping it away from you. Bye, negativity, bye. So the thing about negativity is that sometimes it can even come from some of your best friends, from your family, people around you. And it's not so much getting rid of them in that sense, but rather when they start doing the things that create negative vibes around you, is tuning it out and blocking it out. So these are people who make you seem like the outlook is grim and the future is grim and everything sucks. These are people who make it seem like the odds are low that you can succeed and that's too hard and all that. These are people who complain too much and ruin your mood by making you feel like everything sucks and is bad. These are the things that when it happens, you just gotta nip it in the bud. Whether it be telling the person, I gotta go, or saying, I don't wanna talk about this, or whatever, you just gotta get rid of it because it's negative, it brings down your mood, it makes you feel like, what's the point? This is so hard anyway, everything sucks anyway, and it's just not good to stay motivated when somebody's in your ear telling you all this negative stuff. It's not good. So definitely block that out and be firm about it. This is your future on the line, so you can't let people around you ruin your future. You gotta just flat out just block it out, and that's it. The last way on my list to stay motivated is to visualize what you want. Visualize your future. Make a vision board. Make a list of what you're trying to achieve and your goals. When it's in front of you, it's so much easier to stay focused and keep your eyes on the prize when it's literally in front of you. I have a vision board. I'm about to create a new vision board that's updated with the things I want in order to keep that motivation going. And making lists is one of the easiest ways also to stay motivated, because when you see it in front of you, you realize, oh wait, okay, it's not that hard. And when you check things off too, that makes you feel good. And the more you check things off, the more you feel good and the more you just keep going. So definitely visualizing what you're trying to do, visualizing your goals, visualizing what you want, visualizing your tasks really helps you to stay focused and stay organized and focused on what it is you want and get that stuff done. So yeah, that is my last tip for staying motivated. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course you can always go on lagoals.com if you're somebody who has similar ambitions as me and wants to make it in LA and do really well. That website has everything. I created it for that purpose. It has like-minded people, it has motivational tips, it has actual tangible tips about finding an apartment in LA. We have live group chats where we have Q&As. It's just a great community to be a part of. So that's lagoals.com. Head over there if you're interested, and of course subscribe. I release videos every Thursday and Saturday. That's Thursday and Saturday. So yeah, with that being said, keep being magic. Bye.